This four-door, six-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a front bench seat, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power front seats. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.